so they dump it in. Into the zone. They've got a 2-on-1. Scores! And that's going to knot it up. Bell, that's a goaltender's nightmare right there.
It just should have had it. That's exactly what it was.
The Bruins offense gets it done for the moment at least.
I mean, if Montreal just plays a game, people talk about it the next day. Everywhere in this city.
Takes that pass up on the line from... Oh, what a shot! Scores!
Boy, if you look up forechecking in the dictionary, I got a feeling you'll see some of the work that we just witnessed.
And that's what it is, Bill. That's work, and the work results in goals.
Yeah, and then you got to finish, though. It's easy to forecheck. You've got to convert the forecheck into goals. That was perfect.
Takes a shot. Take the wood, knock it away. He did. Good save made. To Vanek. Into the middle to Conley. And they're into the zone. 2-on-1. And he scores! Beautiful one-time goal. I don't think anybody saw that.
How explosive was that? It was perfect.
Buffalo's goal is going to put him up by 2. Rocket shot, and he got that in a scoring situation. Good pass. That's going to send him. Came out of the defensive end. Chance. Scores! And they jump to the early lead. Bill, you want a great start at home. You get
the Leafs have to look to the future, not the past, if they want respect.
Takes that pass from down low. He's got it along the line. Shot, score! You can't practice that shot, but when it happens, you sure wish you could.
Love that sound as long as the light comes on right after it.